Hi, our enDAQ recorders are made to be convenient yet adaptable. So configuration could be as quick as just putting it on your system and pressing the button, not doing anything, or it can be pretty involved to set different triggering conditions and other specific parameters you want to set for your application. So let me show you how quick and easy as well as how capable configuration can be. So to start, when you want to configure a device, you have this splash screen when you open our lab software. We can click Configure a recording device. It's also under the Device menu here to configure. When you click Configure, you'll see a table view of the available devices you have. And there you see information of what path they're plugged into, the name that you put in this information when you configure it, the part number of the device, the serial number, and then its hardware and firmware revision. Here in this screen, you can actually start a recording when it's plugged in over USB, and we have other commands you can initiate over the USB interface. So you can copy a file onto the device to start a recording programmatically. You can also do that here in the lab software. So if I hit start a recording with this first device, it will remove itself from the computer, and now it's in a recording state. I can also set all the clocks that are plugged in. So if I have multiple units and I want them all to have the same UTC time, so I can align their signals pretty easily, you can do that here. But also you can select the device you want to configure and open it up.